Okay guys, this is my review for Sony Y series laptop, which I just got it today. The model which I got it is YA15G. It's a good laptop to have, and let's review it. First of all, it's a very small laptop. The screen size is 11.6 from diagonally. Uh, Very lightweight, 1.46 kgs to be precise. So very lightweight. It's kind of semi notebook, if you say. I was actually looking for netbooks to help me just for browsing, but instead I got this beautiful Sony product, which actually is a very handy one. Configuration wise, it has got 2 GB memory, Intel Core i3. That's right, it's an Intel Core i3 processor and an 11.6 inch screen. Pretty rare, because before getting this I did a lot of research on netbooks, and all of them came with Intel N or Intel Atom 4 or processors. So having this size of screen with this type of processor is pretty good. Storage is 320 GB. It's pretty good on storage as well. Comes with Windows Home Premium pre-installed on it. For those who are looking for intense applications to be run on this, they can also have this laptop and probably increase the RAM size, because it's 8 GB upgradable. So I will be doing it in few days, because 2 GB is just fine for me right now. So let's have a look at the sites, what we have here. Okay, we have an HDMI port here, which actually is used if you want to stream your laptop content on your LCDs, or suppose Sony Bravia or Samsungs. You can connect your laptop here, and whatever is there on your screen will get it streamed to your TV. We have a DB9 connector port here, so for projectors and all, you can do there. We have a memory slot here, two actually. One is for SD cards, and other one I'm not sure what is that for. And for this side we have a wireless switch. So these comes with probably on all Sony laptops. We have some displays, system displays here. This side we have a headphone jack coupled with a mic one. You can see that at red. We have also two USB ports and an Ethernet jack. That's an RJ45 jack. So pretty much everything. The thing which is missing is optical drive. So all those guys who are DVD freaks or CD freaks, they burn their CDs, burn their musics. This does not have an optical drive, because I don't do that very much. I have softwares which I can use this as a virtual drive. I use them a lot, and in spite of this optical drive. So it's a laptop with minus an optical drive. So kind of a semi laptop, you can say, a semi notebook. So let's open up this one. Let me go. Yep. Here you can see the keyboard is actually an island style keyboard. The keys are island style. So these style is generally adopted in Macs, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. So we have this style on this one as well. Pretty good to type on. I actually am very comfortable. I have a look at it. I typed few lines, few pages in fact. So I didn't find it difficult. The touchpad, I like the size of the touchpad, because for this size of laptop the touchpad actually shrinks. but this is a considerable size, pretty smooth. Clicks, left click, right click, and what else? Let's turn this baby on. Yep, here we go. Beautiful green light flashing. Okay, the VAIO screen just flashed. It's turning it on. The main attractive thing about this one is its portability. Certainly, it's people who are tech savvy, who use laptops on the fly. They just sit on in CCDs and baristas and Costa coffees and browse. This is pretty good for them, and also for the people who run good intense application, because it comes with a Core i3. So only thing you have to do is upgrade your RAM a little bit, because it's a 2 GB. So if you can upgrade it to 4, I think that will be perfect. I will be doing it in a few days, but for now it's just fine. So the screen is up. Pretty good bootable time for Windows. Came up in less than 30 seconds, I guess. Let's log in then, and I will be putting in my password. That will be, I'm not going to speak that out. Oops. Let's do it once again. Here we go. Oops, wrong password. Let me go ahead and put it one more time. I'm too excited probably. Here we go. Okay. It is coming up. Right, we have wireless LAN and Bluetooth. Let me turn the Bluetooth off. It's not good for security reasons. Wireless LAN is off. Sorry, wireless LAN is on. So here it is. It's up now. Beautiful screen resolution. 1366 by 768, if I'm not wrong. This is the selling point of this laptop. With this screen resolution, I think most of the higher end laptops for all the products, they come with this type of resolution, and what Sony has given us is in this mini one. And probably you will find the difference when you will actually browse the web, because when you browse your web, if I open a page, let it open a page, and then I will let you know where is the difference. See, when it opens up the page, the whole page comes in one single series. You mean one single screen. You don't have to go ahead and scroll sideways and up and down to get the entire screen size. I tested this in netbooks, and I seriously had to scroll and up and down and left and right to get the entire page content. So with this screen resolution, everything comes in a single window screen. Windows 7, it's actually a pretty handy operating system, which Microsoft brought it to all its probably all laptops have got it nowadays. This is a dock which is there in all Sony products. We have a VAIO Media Gallery, PMB, Arcsoft webcam. Pretty good HD webcam, mind you. I tested the webcam. It's really very good. It's an HD webcam, if I'm not wrong. What else is here? Good. The speed, the browsing, the processing speed is actually good. I'm feeling no difference with my earlier Acer, which I use. It's all. It seems to be all same. So one thing I will recommend is this comes with a pretty loaded up with Sony products. Like most of the softwares which are present already here, we actually need not need half of them. So I will recommend you install or uninstall those softwares to make up for the low RAM which it has got. And I've done certainly that. I've removed some of the programs, and it's actually quite working well now. I installed a couple of things, Skype, no problem whatsoever. VLC and Google Chrome. Actually, I term Google Chrome pretty above all the browsers, because it's really a good product from Google. So the Internet Explorer 9, which comes with this laptop, it was really very slow. So I just disabled that. I'm using Google Chrome pretty fast, and I actually use a lot of cloud as well. So my stuff is there in the cloud. So I probably need not use that much of space for my documents and my important videos. They're all there in the cloud. I can access them wherever I can. But for storage, it has got 320 GB of storage. So I will probably have some of the movies stored on it. And I checked some of the Pixar movies for the HD content and HD display, and they are awesome, simply awesome. So this is a good buy, and let me tell you, the price for this one is only 29.5k. That's right, guys, only 29.5k, and you have a Sony product, a Sony mini laptop in your hand. So pretty good it is, and I will be playing around with this more, and hope that you will have some good information from this video. See you guys, cheers, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.